Mr. Pritviraj Sanvatraj Kankariya is a businessman par excellence, an innovator in textile print industry, a great social activist and a kind human being. He is the seventh child to Reshmi Devi and Shri Savantraj Kankariya. His father was a trader in Bandeva, one of the small villages near the border area of Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. He spent initial years of his childhood in Bandeva and also pursued his primary education from a government primary school there. After some time, his family shifted to his native village, Balotra, from where he pursued his further studies and also helped his father and elder brothers in business. As he was a brilliant and innovative student all throughout his studies and created a leadership position amongst his peers. However, working in the family business was monotonous and routine. Soon, he realized that his restless soul was fast losing its creative sheen in a confined and conventional work environment. His creative and curious mind wanted to attempt something different which his family had never endeavored earlier. But being the youngest sibling, he could not take bold decisions on his own. Doing business audaciously required bold and aggressive actions, which prompted him to start his own textile trading business without any capital investment from Erode, Tamil Nadu. He was quick to learn the nitty-gritty of the textile trade and soon began to try his hands in manufacturing. Weaving, where bright colors and bold designs excited him, attracted his risk-taking spirit, and Erode proved just the right place, giving him freedom of choice and desired success and fame, where he spent almost 20 years, perfecting his skills in textile manufacturing and trading. With a good hand in weaving and cloth merchandising, he shifted permanently to Ahmedabad in 1999. Ahmedabad, being a bigger city and the capital of textile market of India, opened various avenues for him including export. At the outset, he started with a design engraving concern which expanded rapidly. In 2008, he established Kankariya Textile Industries Private Limited with a mission to promote complete quality printed fabric sarongs, dress materials, shirting fabric of international standards. He has adopted upgraded and advanced technology from Japan, Korea and Germany with fully automatic computerized and PLC-based machines, revolutionizing textile printing in India. In the very first year itself, his textile processing house became one of the leading brands in India. This manufacturing unit was totally automatic and highly sophisticated with systematic arrangements to produce for 100% exports to countries which were very particular about the designs, finishing, colors and variety. The automated system made sure that the clients got what they were promised. He believes total progress in business demands a strong resolve to harness and energies and driving forces in systematic way to achieve the goals loaded with purpose and focused vision. Today, he is considered the king of country's textile business and an inspiration to many. He has taken several initiatives in textile print industry, which involved development and promotion of digital printing and manufacturing of world-class fabric in Ahmedabad. He is popularly known as Textile Tycoon in Ahmedabad Textile Business Circle. His devotion to his work has never prevented him to lose touch with the society he lives in. He is a humble social activist as he is an aggressive businessman. He finds as much solace in the company of needy and distressed as amongst his business colleagues. He leaves no stone unturned to help motivate and inspire those who call for his support. He has initiated numerous social activities aimed at helping the less privileged directly. He has contributed significantly for the advancement of Rajasthan Hospital, a premium healthcare charitable hospital in Ahmedabad, as its trustee. This hospital is providing quality, affordable healthcare services to marginalized section of society. He is Rajasthan Seva Samiti, Preksha Vishwa Bharati, Ahmedabad. Mr. Kankariya is also a founding pillar of Savarkundla Hospital, a 100% free universal healthcare institution run by Vidya Guru Foundation. This hospital is giving free point of care to poor population of Amreli and other districts of Gujarat. He is a member of various institutions such as Rajasthan School, Jito, Oswal Welfare Society, Tera Panth Sabha, Stanakwasi Jain Sangh amongst others.